Hi, welcome to Absolutely Fabulous Bed Bath & Home. My name is Betty Jean, and I'm going to talk to you a little about one of my favorite things, and that's tea and the tea kettles. We have different types of tea kettles for different types of tea. This is your normal, everyday, put on top of the stove, and it will boil, and it has a little whistle. Then you have three cordless ones, or we have three cordless ones. What is really neat about these cordless ones are they're variables, and you can set your buttons, and this one here, which is the Cuisinart Perfect Temp, and it is also Oprah's favorites, and one of her lists of favorites, this is on it. And they have different temperatures for different types of tea. So let's go with the blueberry white tea. Your white tea is only supposed to boil at, not boil, it's only be 185 degrees. And your black teas actually go to the boil and they go at 212 degrees. Your oolong is 195 degrees, and so you would press this button, it will automatically stop at those temperatures. And then of course your green tea is at 175 degrees. So this is really important, especially the green teas. I personally never really cared for green tea until I learned what was happening was I was getting that bitter taste after, and it was because I was always boiling the water. I was always taught that you boil the tea kettle, pour it in, but actually some of the teas you don't want to use the boil because it kills the taste. It brings out the bad taste. And so if you don't, it just comes to the boil point. And Kathy was telling me a little earlier that we are getting one from Cuisinart that goes on top of the stove that is also going to be a variable. So yeah, it's very important to remember that each tea has a different boiling point, and these variable teapots are great for that. Thank you.